रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर दी है?
मैं करता हूँ।
हाँ, तू भी कर दे, दोनों ही कर लेते हैं, फिर दोनों का वो हो जाएगा। ठीक है। Hello and welcome to another episode of the IPL team analysis. Today we'll be analyzing one of the strong teams in the IPL, which has played the final once but has never lifted the trophy. It is the Kings 11 Punjab. They have got a new captain in KL Rahul this year, and it'll be really interesting to see how they perform in UAE. So I have with me again today Shitish Dikshit, my colleague, my friend. तो जब आप किंग्स 11 पंजाब की टीम को देखते हैं, आप देखते हैं कि इस बार उन्होंने काफी सारे नए परचेजेस किए हैं. देयर इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ न्यू प्लेयर्स दैट हैज कम इन, एंड इट सीम्स टू बी अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रुप. So looking at them, you see that Glenn Maxwell has been purchased for a whopping 10.75 crore. Sheldon Cottrell has been purchased for a whopping 8.5 crore. तो ये दो जो परचेजेस हैं, बहुत बड़े परचेजेस हैं. आप इनको कैसे देखते हैं? करीब करीब 20 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए सिर्फ इन दो प्लेयर्स पे.
See, Vinayak, just before I start, I would like to tell something about Kings 11 Punjab. This team is an underdog this season and the dark horse also. So this team cannot be taken for granted at all. ये टीम में इन्होंने केएल राहुल में एक्चुअली कुछ देखा एंड उन्हें कैप्टन बनाया with Anil Kumble being the coach. Also, there is a good Karnataka core in Punjab, Kings 11 Punjab team. So I feel like KL Rahul, Anil Kumble, coach, Mayank Agarwal, and then Karun Nair also. So this core Karnataka group has won Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy and Vijay Hazare Trophy, and they were semi-finalists of Ranji Trophy also. And मनीष पांडे के अलावा इन लोगों का काफी क्रूशियल रोल था कर्नाटका को वहां तक पहुंचाने के लिए. सो आई एम डेफिनेटली बैकिंग दिस टीम. इस टीम को अगर लाइटली किसी टीम ने लिया तो वो उनकी बहुत बड़ी गलती होगी. यस, बट इनको अपने फॉरनर्स बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज करने होंगे, एक सेट पैटर्न पे जाना होगा. बिकॉज व्हाट वी हैव सीन इन लास्ट 2 years अंडर अश्विन्स कैप्टनसी, they have started brilliantly. Honestly saying, they have started brilliantly. They win first 4 matches out of 5, but going towards the business end of the tournament, they just fall. I don't know what happens to them. They just fall away. Uh, Sixth position. You don't expect from such a big team uh, who start so well and then they drop their performance. So I'm really looking forward for in KL Rahul as a new captain and this young contingent with Mohammad Shami in form and KL Rahul man in form. जब हम याद है न्यूजीलैंड में जब हम वनडे सीरीज हार रहे थे तो हम लोग ये भी कहते थे कि यार केएल राहुल से विकेट कीपिंग करा ली, कैप्टनसी उनसे करा ली, बॉलिंग भी करा लेते तो मैच जीत जाते. सो केएल राहुल इज द मैन टू वॉच. I'm really happy to see him performing after the incident that happened with him in Coffee with Karan. He has really mellowed down. He is a mellowed down person, but उन्होंने अपने आप को काफी इम्प्रूव किया है वहां से. उन्होंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी गेम पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया एंड नाउ ही हैज रीच्ड अ लेवल.
राइट राइट. आई थिंक जो पॉइंट आपने रेज किया कि एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कर्नाटक कोर बना है इनका, ये आई थिंक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये मैंने नहीं सोचा था, क्योंकि कर्नाटक इज अ साइड दैट हैज बीन प्लेइंग रियली वेल specifically in the T20 format, and they've got these T20 heavyweights, this KL Rahul. So with KL Rahul at the helm of affairs in Kings 11 Punjab, and having Karun Nair, Mayank Agarwal, and the likes around him, it does have a very strong Karnataka core, which can really help them. Given that they also have their coach from Karnataka. So looking forward, I think this can be a really dangerous side if they, as you said, manage their foreigners and their playing 11s well, and they follow the proper pattern. The way they start, if they continue that way throughout the tournament, they can definitely be a team to reckon for.
True, true. And Vinayak, you talked about Glenn Maxwell and
Sheldon Cottrell.
Jimmy and Sheldon Cottrell. See, they were a brilliant buys for Kings 11 Punjab, and after IPL getting postponed and transferred to UAE, they have turned out to be the masterstroke for Kings 11 Punjab. You remember Kings 11 Punjab has never lost even a single match in UAE in 2014 season. All
Also, the
five
fact
won,
that Glenn Maxwell was the
and Glenn,
person who
yes,
was
yes,
actually
yes,
attacking on every match. I remember he scored a 95 or 43 and such amazing scores. He was batting, I mean, he was hammering oppositions.
and that too against a team like Chennai Super Kings.
Exactly.
So I won't be surprised if he's made to come one down at number three position, and then Mayank Agarwal comes into fourth position.
Right.
Uh, More or less, the these two will be the floating batsmen. Probably Mayank Agarwal, according to his technique, will be one down batsman, and then number four batsman will be Glenn Maxwell. One more advantage that Glenn Maxwell will give you is a finger spinner, an off spinner,
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
because they have a lot of wrist spinners or leg spinners, you can say, but they don't have a finger spinner or an off spinner. So Glenn Maxwell will give that option. A three over by Glenn Maxwell, a wicket or two can just can change the match for Punjab.
राइट राइट एंड जब आप देखते हैं कि किन प्लेयर्स को इन्होंने खरीदा है, जो इन्होंने अक्वायर किए हैं प्लेयर्स, उसमें आप देखते हैं एक नाम है दीपक हुडा। दीपक हुडा एक ऐसे प्लेयर हैं जो मुझे याद है कि 2015 का आईपीएल था जब उन्होंने काफी शोर मचाया था, काफी अच्छी बैटिंग की थी, फिनिश किए थे मैचेस राजस्थान रॉयल्स के लिए और बहुत बड़े बड़े शॉट्स लगाए थे। लेकिन उसके बाद से दीपक हुडा का यूटिलिटी थोड़ा अंडर द स्कैनर रहा है एंड आपने देखा होगा कि सनराइजर्स के लिए वो उतने इफेक्टिव नहीं लगे हैं ओवर द इयर्स। तो पिछले 4 सीजंस में इतने इफेक्टिव नहीं लगे हैं जितने वो 2015 में लगे थे राजस्थान के लिए। लोग ये भी कह रहे थे कि वो इंडिया के लिए फ्यूचर में एक फिनिशर बन सकते हैं। तो 50 लाख का खरीदा है, आई थिंक बेस प्राइस था उनका। इसको कैसे देखते हैं आप एज अ फिनिशर? क्या आपको लगता है यूएई में दीपक हुडा फिर से अपना जलवा दिखा पाएंगे?
See, firstly, it was very unfortunate with Deepak Huda कि उन्हें सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद ने बाय किया था, बिकॉज और जिस तरह के वो बैट्समैन है, वो पिच उनको सूट नहीं करी थी. सो ही इज बैक इन किंग्स इलेवन पंजाब, एंड आई फील इनके काफी मैचेस शारजा में हो सकते हैं, एंड शारजा विल गिव बैटिंग assistance to Kings 11 Punjab. So I really feel that yes, as a reserve, he can replace anyone uh, down the order, but इनको बैक करना होगा मेरे को लगता है. अगर आपकी विनिंग रन एक बार आपको मिल जाए, आप 6 मैच में से 4-5 मैच जीत जाते हैं, सो एक दो मैच आपका, रादर 3 मैच मैं कहता हूँ कि ये फॉर्मेट आईपीएल का ऐसा है कि आप 2-3 मैच में इधर उधर हो जाते हैं, बट अगर आपने इतना कर लिया है तो आप ऐसा चांस दे सकते हो किसी प्लेयर को. Somewhat for Mujibur Rahman also.
Yeah, so Mujibur Rahman is a purchase, Mujibur Rahman has been in the team and he has been quite a revelation for them, because earlier we were all after Rashid Khan, that this is one boy from Afghanistan who comes and really, bluffs the batsman and nobody's able to decode his bowling. But then we saw this young lad, Mujibur Rahman, who maybe was in the shadows of Rashid Khan, but somewhere is again a very good spinner.
Exactly. And he and Rashid Khan are the utility bowlers for Afghanistan. I remember that India match. He took the key wicket of Rohit Sharma, the man who scored a century against Pakistan, his World Cup best. And then on just only Rohit could only score a run, and Mujib picked his wicket. But I don't know इस साल इनकी टीम में जगह बनती है कि नहीं, बिकॉज कंसिडरिंग अगर आपको यंग टैलेंट प्रमोट करना है एंड आपको फॉरनर्स भी अच्छे से मैनेज करने, आई फील रवि विष्णु इज अ गो टू मैन. बट
Yes, this is also, yeah.
according to pitches of Dubai and Abu Dhabi, you can definitely have him as an option as an extra spinner. Maybe you have to make a batsman or a fast bowler sit, but he can be a key option.
Right. This is
And
also one
also
thing. Yeah.
how the tournament progresses, आपको मुझे की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. And then because of my experience भी आ गया है after all.
बिल्कुल, लेकिन जो काफी स्टार्टलिंग फैक्ट रहा वो ये था कि 2 करोड़ का इन्होंने रवि बिश्नोई को खरीदा है, जिनको हमने देखा अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप में उन्होंने जादू दिखाई, क्या लेग स्पिन डाली उन्होंने। तो रवि बिश्नोई कैन ऑल्सो बी अ वेरी big factor as far as Kings 11's bowling is concerned, given that this time we'll be having the IPL in the UAE. So, in case the pitches assist the spinners, Ravi Bishnoi can be a revelation. Ravi Bishnoi can become a big name and eventually make a way towards his India debut.
See, Vinayak, I was not surprised that Ravi Bishnoi went on the value of 2 crore rupees because I think इनका domestic performance काफी अच्छा था. ऑक्शन तो खैर पहले ही हो गया था अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप से, बट इनका डोमेस्टिक सीजन काफ़ी अच्छा जा रहा था. ये अंडर 19 टीम में सिलेक्ट हुए एंड इन्होंने काफ़ी उनका परफॉर्मेंस दिया था ये अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप में. वी वर रियली होपिंग कि ये फाइनल जिता देंगे, बट उतना अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिला. शायद एक्सपीरियंस की भी कमी थी एंड वो राइट लाइन एंड लेंथ वो नहीं डाल पाए. Anyways, he has a lot to learn, and yes, he is definitely India's shining star.
Yes, yes,
And definitely, and Anil Kumble being the coach will benefit him. That's why I'll
yes.
keep him in the team.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And I think the fact that they have James Neesham and इन्होंने क्रिस जॉर्डन को भी खरीदा है, 3 करोड़ का क्रिस जॉर्डन खरीदा है इन्होंने. क्रिस जॉर्डन का अनफॉर्चुनेटली आईपीएल करियर इतना खास नहीं रहा है. आई थिंक उन्होंने एक सीजन खेला था आरसीबी के साथ और एक सीजन खेला था सनराइजर्स के साथ. कोई भी सीजन इतना इफेक्टिव नहीं रहा है, लेकिन क्रिस जॉर्डन जाने जाते हैं काफी अच्छी डेथ बॉलिंग के लिए. तो डेथ में ही इज अ बॉलर टू एक्चुअली वरी अबाउट.
Probably because इंग्लैंड के लिए उन्होंने काफ़ी हद तक अच्छा किया है, बट वो परफॉर्मेंसेज इनकी आईपीएल में नहीं आ पाई है. आरसीबी मे बी बिकॉज द ग्राउंड इज सो स्मॉल, ऑल्टीट्यूड इज वेरी हाई, तो वो थिन एयर की वजह से उनकी पिटाई बहुत हो जाती है एंड वो पेस पे उनको मार भी देते हैं. सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद के लिए वो क्यों नहीं परफॉर्म कर पाए? मे बी ही वॉजंट मैनेज प्रॉपरली, बट आई वॉज रियली सरप्राइज कि वो वहाँ पे अच्छा कर सकते थे.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल। लेकिन इस बार काफ़ी उम्मीद दिखाई है, 3 करोड़ का जब खरीदा है क्रिस जॉर्डन, तो लग रहा है कि पंजाब ने काफ़ी उम्मीद दिखाई है और उन्हें थोड़े बहुत गेम ज़रूर मिलेंगे। तो उम्मीद है वो परफॉर्मेंस दिखाते हैं इस बार।
Maybe he can be a replacement for Sheldon Cottrell because both बस शेल्डन कॉट्रल एक लेफ्ट आर्म ऑप्शन देते हैं, बट दोनों में बैटिंग की हिट भी एक कंसिडरेशन कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर उनसे हिट लग जाती है देन वो बहुत दूर तक जाती है. सो एंड एंड में जो 10-15 रन जो मिल जाते हैं, दैट इज रियली वेरी क्रूशियल फॉर एनी टीम.
Yes, actually, we've seen that those are the 10-15 runs that decide who wins not only a match, but actually a series of matches and finally the IPL trophy. So, a lot of times we see the team that lifts the trophy is the team that won such close matches, that was actually better at managing those short increments and those short margins.
See, if you talk about last year's IPL final, MI versus CSK, MI were 141 runs in 19.4 overs, and then पोलार्ड ने 2 चौके मार दिए थे ड्वेन ब्रावो को लास्ट 2 बॉल में, एंड दोज टू फोर्स mattered after all just by 1 run.
Right, exactly. So now coming to the probable playing 11s, the 11 that you see playing, the starting 11 for Kings 11 Punjab. So what is your 11?
See, my 11 would be KL Rahul, Chris Gayle, Mayank Agarwal, Glenn Maxwell, Sarfaraz Khan, James Neesham, Sheldon Cottrell, Ravi Bishnoi, Ishan Porel, Krishnappa Gautam, another leg spinning option and a hard hitting tailender. And then what to say about this man, the man in form, Mohammad Shami, number 11.
Right, right, yeah. Seems to be a very well balanced side. They've got good foreigners, they've got good spin options, good experienced fast bowling options, and they've also got a lot of talent. So this could be a side to actually reckon with. My playing 11s would be slightly different from yours. My playing 11s would have KL Rahul, the captain wicketkeeper, opening the batting along with Chris Gayle. At number 3, I have put Mayank Agarwal, though I feel that they might try Sarfaraz Khan at number 3 as well, because last year I remember they had tried Sarfaraz Khan at number 4, who had a few
And the
good
domestic season
partnerships.
was also brilliant.
Yeah, I think he had a few good partnerships with KL Rahul. So he might be the backup option for number 3 in case Mayank Agarwal turns out to be out of form or gets injured. At number 4, I have put Glenn Maxwell and Nicholas Puran as the backup option for number 4. At number 5, I have put Mandeep Singh, who is again a good Indian batsman who can really hit the ball, who is probably yet to show his best, who has not been very consistent over the years, but he has got tremendous potential. Then I feel at number 6, maybe we could see Deepak Huda. I see Deepak Huda because I feel that in these pitches, as you shared, that Sharjah pitch might be a pitch that helps him. So I really want to see Deepak Huda bat at that number 6 position because he also gives that off spin option and he can hit the ball very hard. Then at number 7 to finish off, I would have James Neesham, the Kiwi all-rounder who really played really well for the New Zealand in the World Cup, who actually took that amazing catch of Dinesh Karthik in the semi-final, which which was something that really hurt us very deeply as Indians.
Yeah, it
But
just completely turned around the game. But what's happened has happened. We cannot change the past.
या तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि जेम्स नीशम एक अच्छा ऑप्शन है फिनिश करने के लिए नंबर 7 पे, जो आपको मीडियम पेस का भी ऑप्शन देते हैं बीच में और अच्छे से बड़े शॉट्स भी खेल सकते हैं, फिनिश कर सकते हैं गेम्स। उसके बाद मैंने रखा है कृष्णप्पा गौतम को, जैसे आपने कहा कि अच्छे स्पिन बॉलर है और साथ में बॉल को भी मार सकते हैं, फिनिश कर सकते हैं गेम्स, तो बहुत अच्छे ऑप्शन है नंबर 8 पे। आखिरी 3 पोजीशंस के लिए मैंने रखा है मुजीबुर रहमान, ईशान पोरेल और मोहम्मद शमी को। लेकिन देखना पड़ेगा कि कितना ये चाहे ईशान पोरेल को खिलाना शुरू में, बिकॉज there's a lack of experience. So whether they want to play Ishan Porel right away or whether they want to try him out in between the tournament is something that the management will have to decide. But in case they decide to play Ishan Porel not in the first playing 11s, they might try out Sheldon Cottrell, and then Mujibur Rahman might have to sit out. And in his place, we can see, as you shared, either of Murugan Ashwin or Ravi Bishnoi. Though I'd be really excited to see Ravi Bishnoi, and I really hope that at least one of Ravi Bishnoi and Ishan Porel, if not both, gets to play for Kings 11 Punjab right from the beginning and gets to play the whole season.
Well, Vinayak, I feel जैसे youngsters की बात हो रही है, I feel they should be given chance in the beginning of the tournament only, because if they're not able to handle the pressure and Punjab wants to qualify at them, they won't be able to manage that pressure at the end also. So it's best thing to utilize them as early as possible, probably from the from the very first match.
Right, right. So yeah, I think Kings 11 Punjab have actually built a very good core, and if they are consistent throughout the tournament, I don't think there's any force that can stop them from qualifying. And we'll also have to see how KL Rahul does as a captain. But KL Rahul till now has been amazing at responding to situations. If you see World Cup में काफी मुश्किल लग रहा था कि वो सिलेक्ट होंगे स्क्वाड में, क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा वो कॉफी विद करण वाला एपिसोड हुआ था, लेकिन उसके बाद भी वो सिलेक्ट हुए और सिलेक्ट होने के बाद उनको रखा
उन्होंने
गया
एक
था।
सेंचुरी भी मारी थी।
एग्जैक्टली वही, क्योंकि लग रहा था कि विजय शंकर को चूज किया गया है नंबर 4 के लिए, जैसे कि सिलेक्टर्स ने कहा था, लेकिन बिकॉज केएल राहुल ने वार्म अप मैच में सेंचुरी मार दी थी तो उनको नंबर 4 का पोजीशन मिला। फिर किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि शिखर धवन इंजर होंगे जैसे वो हुए, जिस प्रकार से इतना अच्छा शानदार सा सेंचुरी मार के वो इंजर हुए। उसके बाद केएल राहुल मान गए ओपन करने के लिए, ओपन करके भी उन्होंने काफी अच्छी बैटिंग की, उन्होंने रोहित शर्मा को बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट किया। तो और उसके बाद अगर आप देखें वर्ल्ड कप के बाद से केएल राहुल नंबर 5 पे सेटल कर गए हैं एज द प्रॉपर विकेट कीपर बैट्समैन फॉर इंडिया, और वहां पे भी उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया है, जबकि वो T20 में ओपनर हैं। तो केएल राहुल मुझे लगता है बहुत अच्छे हैं एज फार एज रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू सिचुएशंस इज कंसर्न, एंड मेरे ख्याल उनका बेस्ट हमें दिख सकता है इस साल आईपीएल में।
See, one thing everyone is forgetting, firstly, कि last T20 against New Zealand in 2020, I don't know the place. I think it was Hamilton.
या आई डोंट
I
रिमेंबर।
think it was, I think it was Hamilton. तो Hamilton में रोहित शर्मा इंजर हो गए थे. Rohit Sharma was the captain. and उनको जाना पड़ा, and KL Rahul was made stand-in captain. शिवम दुबे ने एक बहुत ही खराब 34 runs, and New Zealand was almost run a ball, and from there on, because of KL Rahul's captaincy, that played a part. Definitely, we cannot give full credit to him, but some credit should be given to him for his captaincy. उन्होंने bowlers इस तरह से rotate किए कि इंडिया वो मैच वहां से जीत गया था जब न्यूजीलैंड रन आउट बॉल आ गया था, एंड देन केएल राहुल वाज आल्सो मैन ऑफ द सीरीज in that T20s.
Right, right. I also remember, in one of the two matches there were two matches when we had super overs, or were there three matches?
Two matches.
Two matches. So in
Third,
the second match, the one where KL Rahul and Virat Kohli went out to bat in the super over, I remember that they were chasing 14 runs, and KL hit a massive six over, I think, over mid wicket on the very first ball.
yes.
And then he also smashed. There was a short ball bowled by Tim Southee where KL Rahul actually pulled it or hooked it. Because it was a hook shot, it was a fine leg. So we saw him, do really well wherever he's been asked, whatever he's been asked to do. He's done his very best.
So मैं यही कह रहा था that the way KL Rahul has even performed in the middle order in one days, he has been given the opportunity to keep the wickets in a longer limited over format and play at 3 down, and he has even got a century, and he has really played very well, 250s and century, and that leads me to KL Rahul as a very, very promising captain and a player who can definitely be a key for India in future, and also Kings 11 Punjab.
Right, right. I think when you speak to anyone in India, because in India, everybody's a cricket fan. Anybody you speak to, looking at India's future towards the next 10 years or so, everybody speaks of these three names as far as batting is concerned. It's KL Rahul, Rishabh Pant, and Shreyas Iyer. So as long as these three are around, Rishabh Pant, I really hope, comes back to winning ways and comes back to find his form for India. But these three,
I will also consider Manish Pandey in that. I will also
Manish
consider
Pandey.
Manish Pandey.
Right, but Manish Pandey might not have age on his side, given that he's Virat Kohli's age. But of course, he's also an exciting prospect.
Fitness is all the key, bro. Age is not
Right.
age is just a number.
Right, absolutely, yes.
And looking at Manish Pandey, the way he has performed in domestic season, all three of them, Ranji Trophy, maybe Dilip Trophy, also Irani Trophy, and then the limited overs, Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, and Vijay Hazare Trophy. In fact, he played the Syed Mushtaq final after the day he got married. So that's something interesting. And then Karnataka won that match by just 1 run, and they won the tournament.
Right. So also wishing KL Rahul and his side Kings 11 Punjab all the very best. I can see KL Rahul and Mandeep Singh on your background, and I really hope they do really well in this IPL.
I'm betting on them. I'm definitely betting on this team. This team has a very big potential to win this tournament, being the underdog and also the dark horse of this tournament. This team has that firepower to win this IPL. Plus, the IPL is in UAE, and they haven't lost even a single match in UAE, and the Glenn Maxwell factor also.
I just hope आपके पीछे CBI या ED ना लग जाए, क्योंकि आपने betting word use किया है IPL के prospect में.
Yeah, अच्छा.
हाँ, तो कोई नहीं, ये काट देंगे, ये थोड़ा stupid हो गया.
कोई नहीं, रखना है तो रख सकते हैं, ऐसे क्या बात है, थोड़ा stupid वगैरह.
हाँ, ठीक है. हाँ, करते हैं, रुक जा. And that brings us to the final segment of this talk. I wanted to discuss about the Kings 11 Punjab coach, the former India coach, Anil Kumble, who might not have had the best kind of, exits from the Indian team, which is still a lot talked about. But how do you see his coaching skills? How do you think it will impact Kings 11 Punjab?
See, the way he used to coach Indian team, and he used to make the best practice all the time, and KL Rahul got the best, and Anil Kumble as a coach got the best out of KL Rahul. He was really smashing the ball very well in the Test cricket. But somehow after Anil Kumble departed, his form went down. So probably this Jodi of Anil Kumble and KL Rahul coming back together, maybe we can expect some firepower. Also, you see a youngster like Ravi Bishnoi and also Mujibur Rahman. They have a lot to learn from this legendary bowler who has taken 619 Test wickets. Uh, I don't know what to say, but these two will, if they are dedicated to the game, they have a lot to learn from Mr. Kumble. And yes, the way he has been with the Indian team. Unfortunately, India were runners-up in the Champions Trophy 2017, but uh, there was something in the team. I don't think we should talk about that. But mm, considering this young and sort of mid-experienced team, Anil Kumble is a go-to man, and he will have a big hand to if uh, if Punjab wins uh, this IPL 2020, and without any doubt, you can really raise your hand on this team for IPL glory.
जी बिल्कुल, मुझे भी लगता है कि जहां तक भी पंजाब पहुंचती है इस आईपीएल में, उसमें बहुत बड़ा, इफ नॉट सबसे बड़ा योगदान रहेगा अनिल कुंबले जी का। और उम्मीद करते हैं कि पंजाब अच्छा खेलती है। और आईपीएल आ रहा है, अब 1 महीने से भी कम बचा है, 3 हफ्ते बचे हैं। और आई एम श्योर हम भी अपना एक्साइटमेंट ज्यादा होल्ड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और चाह रहे हैं कि जल्दी से
बिल्कुल
जल्दी
बिल्कुल
आईपीएल आए। जी
बिकॉज इतना नेगेटिविटी के बाद एक बहुत बड़ा टूर्नामेंट आ रहा है, बिना क्राउड्स के हो रहा है, बट स्टिल एक मनोरंजन के लिए आपके पास कुछ साधन होगा, आप वो आईपीएल एंजॉय कर पाएंगे। तो आई रियली वांटेड कि 2020 ईयर में 2020 वर्ल्ड कप हो जाता, बट anyhow, satisfy yourself with IPL. It's going to be a very big IPL. I think it's going to be the best IPL as per me. Not because इसमें क्या कहते हैं टीम्स वगैरह सब इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड थे। येस, दैट इज अ फैक्टर, बट मैं ये समझता हूँ कि इतनी नेगेटिविटी के बाद जब एक आशा की किरण दिखती है तो आप डेफिनेटली उसे एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं। सो यस,
बिल्कुल।
दिस आईपीएल इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी बिग बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक, इस पे जो इफेक्ट किया है। सो आई होप एवरीथिंग गोज वेल।
Sure, I'm sure everything will go well. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we will soon connect with another team's analysis and with more excitement towards the IPL. Thank you. Bye bye.